Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to another video here on the channel. My name is Annie, and today we are going to continue making our little Bart the Duck. We have already made his head, his body, the wings, the beak, the hair, and the tiny tail. And in today's video, we are going to learn how to make his little feet, okay? So I really hope you like it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also comment on what you think. Well guys, let's start here with the orange yarn. We're going to start by making the leg part, okay? I'm going to make a magic ring, secure my yarn, and I'm going to make 6 single crochets in this ring. This will be our first round, 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Finish this round, I close it, and I'm going to do round number 2, which will be 6 increases. We will have a total of 12 single crochets in this round. Alright guys, finished round number 2. Let's do round number 3, which will be 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 18 single crochets. And for round number 4, we are going to do 2 single crochets and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round we will have 24 single crochets in total. So let's work on round number 3 and round number 4. Okay guys, I finished round number 4. Now from round number 5 to round number 7, we are going to do single crochet over single crochet. And we will have a total of 24 single crochets in these rounds. Let's do stitch over stitch until round number 7. I finished round number 7, guys. It's looking like this.
Now we are going to do round number 8, which will be 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 18 single crochets in total. And round number 9, which will be 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 12 single crochets in total. So let's do these 2 rounds.
Finished round number 9. We are going to do from round number 10 to round number 15. Just single crochet over single crochet. And all these rounds will have 12 single crochets in total, each one of them, right? So let's just do stitch over stitch from round number 10 to round number 15. I'm going to do my rounds, and I'll be back to continue with you. Okay guys, we finished round number 15 here. Now we are going to make a slip stitch. And cut a long tail for sewing. I cut this yarn very long because I'm going to use it a lot, okay? Right. Later we are going to add Fiberfill, but we will add it together. Now let's make his little foot. We're going to start by making the toes. start by making a stitch, a magic ring, and 6 single crochets in this ring. It's round number 1, 6 single crochets in the magic ring. Done! I made the 6 single crochets. I'm going to close my ring, and I'm going to do round number 2. Round number 2 will be 1 single crochet and 1 increase. We are going to repeat this sequence 3 times, and we will have a total of 9 single crochets. So, do a single crochet and an increase. Done! Now we are going to cut this yarn. Take a tapestry needle. I pull it. Take the yarn out of here. With this tapestry needle, I'm going to make a fake single crochet. Invisible join, okay? How do I finish it here? This would be the next stitch I would enter, right? I skip it and pass under this one here. From the wrong side out and pull. Now I come through here. Where the yarn is coming out, I enter, see? Right to the inside, there you go. Here it will mimic a single crochet, see? And it will still have 9 single crochets in total, okay? That's what you have to check. It has to keep 9 single crochets. Then here I always like to tie a little knot, okay? To fasten off together with this yarn that came out from the inside. So, we tie a knot to fasten off. Don't pull too hard, otherwise it will ruin your fake single crochet, okay? Just a little tug. Done. I tied 3 little knots. Then I cut it very close here. See? And it will look like this. Well, guys, this little toe, we will have to make 1 more of these fastened off ones to look like this, okay? So, let's do the exact same thing we did to make another one just like this. I'm going to make mine, and I'll be back for us to continue. All right, guys, see? What did I do here? I made 2 and finished them, right? And here I made the 3rd one, the exact same pattern as those 2, except I'm not going to finish the 3rd one. I'm going to continue working from it, okay? So here I can cut it a little bit so it doesn't get in my way, right? But I left a little bit here. I cut the middle yarn, okay, guys? And let's continue then to join these pieces, see? I take the first one here, and I'm going to enter here, see, and I'm going to make. I entered into a random stitch. You can enter whichever one you want. Pull my yarn, see, I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, see? I made 5 single crochets here. I come here, take the next one, enter here, and I'm going to make 9 single crochets, which is all the way around it, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Made 9. I come here to the middle one, see? I'm going to make 4 because there are 4 stitches left here, right? We made 5 on this side since there are 9. In total, there are 4 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, Done, finished here. I go to the next one, which is the third one here, and I'm going to make 9, which is all the way around it. One, 2, 3. All right, guys, see, I did it here, I finished, okay? And our rounds then end here. And we are going to start a new one going all the way around, okay? If you want, you can use a stitch marker here so you don't get lost, okay? So, it ended here on this third one where we made 9 single crochets, right? And now let's start the next round. From round number 4 to round number 9, we are going to do single crochet over single crochet, and all these rounds will have 27 single crochets in total. Okay, guys? So, let's do stitch over stitch. From round number 4 to round number 9. I'm going to do my rounds, and when I finish round number 9, I'll be back for us to continue. Okay, guys, I did up to round number 9. Now, in round number 10, we are going to do 7 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 3 times, and at the end of this round, we will have a total of 24 single crochets. All right, everyone, I finished round number 10 here. Now, in rounds number 11 and 12, we are going to do single crochet over single crochet, and these rounds will have 24 single crochets in total. So let's do those 2 rounds there. Round number 11 and 12, just stitch over stitch. I'm going to do my rounds, and I'll be back to continue with you. Okay, guys, round number 12 finished. Now, we are going to do, in round number 13, 2 single crochets and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have a total of 18 single crochets. And in round number 14, we are going to do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. We are going to repeat this sequence 6 times, and at the end of this round, we will have 12 single crochets. So let's do round number 13, and then round number 14. I'm going to do mine, and I'll be back to continue with you. While you are doing it, guys, you can start adding Fiberfill, okay? Put it in the toes, then keep adding Fiberfill here throughout the whole little foot, because we are going to close the piece. All right, everyone, let's do round number 15 now, our last round, which will be 6 decreases. We will have a total of 6 single crochets when we finish this round. Now we make 1 slip stitch. Remember, to see if your little leg has enough Fiberfill, if it is just right, like this. See? I'm going to put a little bit more here at the end after I make the slip stitch. Now I'm going to make the slip stitch. I'm going to pull it here. Cut my yarn now. With the help of the scissors here, see? I'm going to put more Fiberfill all around this part and close my piece. Done, guys. I've already threaded it here, see, on my needle. Now, let's pass through the front loops, all the way around here. Tight like this, and we'll come out right here. Here in the center. Done. So it's going to look like this, guys, remembering that we have to make 2 pieces of this one and 2 of these for our little duck, okay? And that's today's video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Any questions, you can leave them in the comments, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment on the video. That was it then, guys. A big kiss. Stay with God, and until the next video, bye-bye.